So first off, you want to make sure the ignition is on. Then on the right side of the steering wheel, press the back button to clear the display. Once the display is cleared, then press the left or right arrow until you see settings. Press OK to select. So for step 2, you want to scroll down until you see vehicle settings. Press OK to select. So now for step 3, you want to once again scroll down, this time until you see scheduled maintenance. Press OK to select. So now we're on the 4th and final step. Now it's going to ask you if you want to reset data. Press OK to select. Maintenance and service light has now been reset. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.